feel like you're getting better every day?
I'm more tired. Old man gets more tired easily. I think it's getting one solid race together. I guess that's one thing I have had trouble with is, you know, being able, I guess in the morning I've been super relaxed, and I think it's just really just knowing that I haven't done all the work. I think it's just a new experience for myself and Bob to be in. We're just going in and trying to race as hard as I can and seeing what happens. I think it's probably a better learning experience for me than anything else. You know, being able to have these experiences, I think it's going to help me a lot more for the future. Because I hate this. So, you know, anything to be able to change this, you know, I guess to hit home, I think is like little small things like this that end up making me feel how I feel, I think end up playing a big role of what's really going to happen over the next couple years. I mean, I know if whatever I really put my mind to, I know I can accomplish. And you know, I think just, you know, I'm not going to use the excuse of taking off, you know, a year and a half to 2 years. It's just, you know, when I do, you know, I guess when there are workouts, I need to beat everyone, and that's the bottom line. I have no idea. I don't know. I mean, I said something to him today. I was like, what do you want me to do? It's like, do you want me to get in a race tomorrow, or would you rather me do 2 workouts and start getting ready for Pan Pacs? But I mean, I don't know what he's thinking now. I would assume that he wants me to race more than anything else, just because I haven't done too many 200s this year. So I think being able to get that under my belt, I think will probably be better than training, just to see whatever would happen from it, or, you know, see whatever will happen in the race, and just use those feelings, I guess, to motivate me leading up into Pan Pacs and forward.